This is Scott Bauer from the floor of the CME Group, and what was a mixed bag overnight leading into today's session, we've pretty much seen just a steady climb up to what sounds like a broken record. New records again today with the S&P hovering around 2840 right now. Just a lot of strength behind it right now. And with all the news, economically and certainly geopolitically, and then you have Davos, news coming out of the Eurozone. German news was actually really solid today. Everything seems to be just in place for that next rally going further. Maybe the next potential government shutdown, now that we have this extension to February 8th, maybe we'll start seeing some volatility come in ahead of that. But for right now, it is really all signs pointed up right now. Now, yesterday was a pretty slow day in the ES Mini option market, at least compared to what we've seen over the last couple weeks or so. Yesterday, a total of 675,000 E-mini options traded, 63% on the put side, 37% on the call side. Volume leaders on the put side going out to March, the 2735 and 2835 puts. On the call side, and this is an interesting dichotomy, we're looking at some February options, the end of week, fourth week, 2875 strike, and then February end of week, first week, 2785 call options. So we've got a bunch of March put options trading and a bunch of Feb call options trading. Read into that how you will, maybe position, around that, but that's what's going on in the E-mini option complex. Now, volatility, pretty steady here. We saw it down a little bit earlier. It's pretty much unchanged right now. With the way volatility is standing right now, the E-minis are predicting a move this week out to Friday of about $22 higher or lower. Now, let's take a look what's going on in the crypto space, what's going on Bitcoin futures here. Again, a lot of volatility, more so than we have seen over the past month or so. The last week, extremely volatile. This past 24-hour session, we saw a low on the front term future here in Bitcoin down to 98.65. We're currently trading around 11,350 or so on very heavy volume. So the volatility is back. We'll see what happens there. This is Scott Bauer on the floor of the CME Group.